What is a recession? A recession is a significant slowdown in economic activity that lasts for an extended period of time. It affects how people work, spend money, and live their daily lives. While the word recession is often mentioned in news headlines, its meaning and impact are not always clearly understood. In simple terms, a recession happens when an economy stops growing and begins to shrink. Economists usually define a recession as at least 2 consecutive quarters of negative economic growth, measured by a country's gross domestic product, or GDP. However, it's not just about numbers. A recession is also felt through rising unemployment, reduced consumer spending, lower business profits, and declining investments. During a recession, companies often earn less money because people spend less. As a result, businesses may cut costs by freezing hiring, reducing wages, or laying off workers. This leads to higher unemployment, which further reduces spending, creating a cycle that makes economic recovery more difficult. Small businesses are often hit especially hard, while large corporations may delay expansion plans or close locations. Recessions can be caused by many factors. Financial crises, such as banking failures or stock market crashes, can trigger them. Sharp increases in interest rates, high inflation, global events, wars, pandemics, or sudden drops in consumer confidence can also push an economy into recession. Sometimes, recessions occur simply because an economy has grown too fast and needs time to rebalance. It's important to note that recessions are a normal part of the economic cycle. History shows that economies move through periods of growth and contraction. While recessions can be painful, they are usually temporary. Governments and central banks often respond by lowering interest rates, increasing public spending, or providing financial support to businesses and households to stimulate recovery. For individuals, a recession may mean job insecurity, tighter budgets, and delayed financial goals. However, it can also encourage people to save more, manage money carefully, and develop new skills. For economies, recessions can lead to long-term changes, including new industries, innovation, and policy reforms. In short, a recession is more than just an economic term. It's a period that shapes societies, businesses, and personal lives. Understanding what a recession is helps people make informed decisions and better prepare for economic uncertainty.